Ikaw na pala ang may-ari ng damdamin ng minamahal ko. Pakisabi na lang na huwag na mag-alala.
Hi guys! Hi everyone! I just came back from groceries. Look, they're still there. I've been to buy chicken for my chicken curry cooking for today. But before that, I bought as well flowers. I love flowers in my kitchen while cooking. It makes me feel good. Right. So what I'm gonna do now first is to put them in my vase. Right. Okay. What we're gonna do first is to put this flower food into our vase to keep our flowers to live more longer than normal there. So I will dilute them to 1 liter. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, so dilute them. It makes our day better, feel better if we got our, what do you call this, flowers, isn't it, in the kitchen. That's how I feel. Right, so yeah, got them. There. Okay, so I can save some of this now because I just need one for 1 liter. There we go. Hey. Right, okay. And I just need to free them all, easier for me. I got this. There we go. Okay, right. Okay, so for your new roses, okay, we'll see how it goes. So you need to cut diagonally so that it make it fresh, the cut, and it will absorb the food. And it will, yeah, so slanting. Okay. Yeah. So every single stem, you have to cut it. Yeah. There we go. So cut that way. And you know what, guys? You can, after that your flowers is already wilted, you can actually plant the stem. Yes. Oh, one there missing a flower. That's a shame. There we go. Oh, I would plant this one. There we go. Okay. Right. See? One flower gone missing. Right, for this one, this is just to break the just to keep a little bit of actually I don't like it. It's better if it's just it looks nicer if it's just plain roses. Right, I'll just put that one in my other. There. Okay, so we'll just leave that this way then. Yes. Just ruined it. Okay, so that's it, guys. My flowers. Yes. Simple flowers that makes you happy.
That's why.
And that's it. That's our flowers. There. Roses. I just put this one in this vase. Look. Yes.
I love the way she makes me smile, she makes me smirk. It gives me chills, it makes me blush, it keeps me wet. And I can see her winning the Miss Universe. And if heaven does exist, we'll most likely look like her. Yeah.
May babae ako nakitang kay ganda. Yung mga mata niya ay bibihain ka. Pag tumingin ka sa kanya ay matik na. Parang pinanaka ni Cupido, sapul ka.
Cause I lose myself around you, girl. You got some kind of way. There's something about you, girl, that makes me wanna stay.
Kung ako na nga ang papipiliin ka na. Baka na matik
color because it's
Lamang
too.
laging nasa panaginip ko. Ayaw ko nang itigil to.
Araw-araw kitang
Gusto ko ito.
aalagaan. Laging sasabihin sa'yo na ikaw lamang. Don't stay away for too long. Don't go to bed. I'll make a cup of coffee for your head. I'll get you up and going out of
Wait, of
bed.
green.
Can I be honest? Pagising sa umaga di walang galaw. Ikaw yung tanging nasa isip.
Sa'yo kita sa paraan na ko lang ang nagkaalam.
These are my old flowers, plastic flowers. This, but I just want to mix it here to give a bit life. Mice.
And I can see her breathing down this universe. And if heaven does exist, it will most probably look like her.
I love the way she makes me smile, she makes me smirk.
It gives me chills and makes me blush. It gives me freak. And I can see her breathing down.
Ayan na po, ayan. There we go. Okay, so I'll just put it in my lounge. There we go. Now the flowers has been arranged. I will put as well my fruits into my lovely fruit holder. Put that there. After this, I will start cooking then. Okay. I hope these are sweet. Oh, still alive, jumping. Okay. Oh, that's fine. Managed to put them all there. There we go. Yeah. It doesn't fit the way. Okay, just like that then. Okay, so there we go. Our fruits. Clementine, we call this it. Sweet clams. Yeah, clementine. Yeah. Nice. There we go. My fruits and my lemons. Easier to access. Okay.
And I choke on my reply. I'd rather hurt you honestly than mislead you.
Special shout out to all my channel members. To my Super Alaga Army TV. Thank you so much, sis. And to all my Alagas, Theus Black, Bianca Puppet, Bells Japan, Lucy Cuban, Cecilia B. Ireland, Roods Lagura,
You ask me
Kuya
if I love
Parks,
and I
Notimer
choke on
Sonia
my
Black,
reply.
Dominator
Rather
Soltes,
hurt you honestly
Noreen EY,
than mislead you.
Shareheart Explorer,
Lie.
Arnel Monilon, Kuya Mo Aris,
Judge you
Engineer
in
Marty,
what you see or
Louis
do.
Fernandez,
I'm
The
only
Beef Channel,
just
thank you for
beginning
rejoining.
to see
Bang Bang
the
Hermes,
real
thanks for rejoining too. My Cusinera Pangkasa, thank you for joining, Sisi. And the newest, my baby is Lolito
You
Vlog
ask
TV.
me if I
Thank you
love
very much for
and I
joining
choke on
my
my
team.
line.
And
I'd rather hurt you
see you again
honestly
tomorrow, guys,
than
in my
mistreat
next
you with
video.
a lie.
Thank you. Bye.
And who am I to judge you in what you say or do? I'm only just beginning to see